Welcome to week 3 of the Cultural Competence and Health Professions course. This week we will cover chapters 5 and 6 in the textbook and learn more about health and healing traditions. Your discussion board prompt asks that you look at the issue of obesity and apply the health belief model to caring for this patient population. Please remember to add current references to the text of your post, as well as a reference at the bottom of your post according to APA guidelines. In-text citations are covered in Chapter 6, and preparing references is covered in Chapter 7 of the APA manual. Additionally, an example is provided in the Writing Styles Guides tab of the course. All assignments and tests are due by Friday at midnight Central Time. Your initial discussion post is due by midnight on Tuesday, and both responses are due by Friday at midnight. You must post on 3 separate days of the week. The discussion board grading rubric can be found in Blackboard under the Rubrics tab. There is also additional information about how to prepare a discussion board posting in the Writing Style Guides tab. It is important that you study the chapters in your textbook, watch the videos, and make sure your Respondus lockdown browser is working correctly before starting the exam. Remember that Wi-Fi connections are not recommended, and you must be hardwired to the internet to ensure an uninterrupted, strong connection. Instructions for setting up Respondus and completing the weekly BioSig authentication are located under the Testing Information tab on Blackboard. You may use your textbook on this and all tests in the course. However, please make sure you are familiar with the content before beginning the exam due to the limited time provided. Tests not completed and correctly submitted prior to the due date or time will be scored as a 0 in the gradebook. It is also a good idea to review the content under the Testing Information tab on Blackboard to ensure you have the correct software downloaded to your computer. As always, you must use Chrome or Firefox. Please look ahead to the culture paper assignment due in week 4 and let me know if you have questions. This has been previewed for you in weeks 1 through 3, and I strongly urge you to start working on it as soon as possible to meet the due date. Please contact me at sarahdavidson.com@astate.edu with questions, and I hope you have a great week.